Norashen church, built as an Armenian church, but now under, these are attempting to be under the Georgian Orthodox. So they've changed some of the doors on this. You have the old place and some of the old tombs. Abandoned Armenian church. And then here I think you can see Armenian writing. It's Georgian actually. Oh, on this side. Looks like Russian. 1897. In there. It's been done later if the Russian was put on. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's Armenian writing. With a tombstone sitting here, Armenian. Left remaining on the ground. Torn out door. This beautiful cross, and then this cross section here. But can't beat it all. Nice little cross there. It's like a marble type cross. It's the back side of the church here. We got, again, the flooring missing and some beautiful ceiling decoration. A mosaic there on top, a fresco painting way up there. Look at this beautiful construction all the way up. Pictures and whatnot. Let's see what we can see from the other side. Put that up to the window. We filmed from that side there, and you can see the floor is missing as I said before. Let's see if there's anything up on top. Can't get it on top. Let's go see in the window and see what we can see inside. Looks like they got a picture of something. Mention this, when the controversy started, when the Georgian Orthodox tried to take over this church, they pretty much shut it down. It's been abandoned since. So I think the last few years it has not been an active church. Actually, for a long time, but Soviet times, it actually was closed down also. But beautiful grounds, open. At least the exterior is open to the public. And again, looks like there's more graves here on the south side of the building. The old abandoned church is actually in the yard of Javas Mama Church, which also is one of the 5th century churches from the foundation. This is a 12th or 3rd century church. We'll look at that next. This was probably all one complex at one point. Armenian, but now this section here seems to be, there's a sewing of church clothes there on the left and the Anna sign. Interest here, some of these walls. Looks like they're added later. Some of the symbols here.